Uba Vivek Syiem, Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills, Lyoh hakilar batai Khubor daga baong. Kiken hun pulit berkipat ba nakathan sora kidang wat yaka Sonam Raghuvanshi, ka kurim uraja kabadang ja hadu kini gisi. Hadu menta kiken hun kibat tuat ya kani kabriu kila shem jing ban hiar shiki riat kiram na kajing Pynthut uslap ubajur bat Lyoh ubarben. Kibalakang lat ban yo isha ya kilinti sengkin. Uba Vivek Lyoh tam ya kawai kajan jiri kup slap henrai 48 batai syai kadai kajong nu. Ulaong ki scientist ki bala pentebit bantuat ki kidak kishin kidang tokit ya kani kajan jiri kup slap banteb la kadai kabala bread ka Sonam.
At about 11:15 we recovered in AV viewpoint, which is about 5 meters from the road going to Mokma. We found this black wheat raincoat, and there are certain stains out there, but we can't confirm whether they're blood stains. Only forensics will be able to say whether they're blood stains. Seizures being made. We'll compare with the footages we have whether it belongs to the female or not, and only after some time only we can confirm whether it belongs to the female, because the size also is a 3XL raincoat.
Okay.
A lot of theories will be there. I can understand the minds of the public. A lot of theories are there. SIT has been formed. We'll go and gather evidence and collect and get to the facts of the matter. So right now, like I said from the beginning, all possibilities are there. But all possibilities are there, and so we'll go by the facts and the circumstances and the evidence collected from the scene of crime. Thereon, we'll get to know which direction we'll take. But search, since that the Vaisaudong is actually almost 3 levels of terrain out there. So, and the place, the undergrowth also is thick out there. Today we had to do AV point, and then before we wanted to do Vaisaudong again, it started raining. So huge heavy rains out there. And beyond that, we will be going to the peripheries of those places to look for more evidence. The weather got cleared. Otherwise, the weather was very inclement and torrential rains were there, which was making it very difficult, even though we use NEHU drones. So when the weather cleared up, we could actually find the body and other evidence out there. So let's hope the weather clears up and it gives us more visibility to find more evidence.
Sir,
there are about more than 50 to 60 people, SOT, NDRF, SDRF, fire and burn services, the SIT team is there, and people from Samla police station, and also the local volunteers. So it was only on the second that second was on the second, second or third. Postmortem was done yesterday, so we yet to get the report.